and the nice gentleman was supposed to get off, let's say at 7, okay? And it's like 8. And I say, oh my gosh, are you still on the clock? Because I feel really bad. And do you know what he said? I don't work for free. I don't work for free. Like, that was crazy that I would think that he was off the clock. And I was like, well, I didn't know how it works here. No, I never would work for free. Let that ring in your ears, guys. I bet a lot of you are working for free. I bet a lot of you are, okay? But when he said, I don't work for free, and how many of you are bending over backwards, jumping through hoops for your clients because you don't want to be a bother. You don't want to come across as pushy, right? So you give stuff away, or you're unorganized and you don't know how much something is or whatever, so you just don't charge them. I want you to think about that. Or if you're a coach or someone or an accountant, a lawyer, and that's all you can do is charge for your time, right? So I want you to think about that. Most people are not going to work for free, and you should not be working for free either.